practice servant leadership. If you don't know what servant leadership is, look it up.
Yeah.
It is not about you. It's about your team. You know, in the janitorial business, it can sometimes be a thankful role, or let's say not a glamorous position, right? But at the end of the day, it's a necessity. And your team is a necessity to your success. So, from a leadership position, you are there to serve your team. So, practice service leadership is absolutely key. The second thing I would say is no matter what the organization is going through, no matter how bad of a time or a phase, or how good of a phase or anything,
Mhm.
focus on your culture. Always focus on your culture. Focus on how you can ensure you have a high performing culture. Focus on how you can recognize your team. Focus on how you communicate your strategies. And just focus on keeping that culture healthy, because as soon as it's very hard to get a healthy, high performing culture, but once you lose that, it's even harder to get it back. So always keep those two things in front of mind: servant leadership and culture.
And culture for sure, man. I think that what they say, as you go, typically the business goes. So you got to set the standard for that culture for sure, man. I love it.